I will be showing you how you can put a whole bunch of stuff in your slime. I want you to subscribe and find my slime here already. So it's really, well, fun to play with. Today I will be mixing beads in it. So you already have it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I'm back with my video. I have my stuff. So I really just put beads in it. I put beads in it and glitter and Tide and glue. So to smash it. Smash, 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 smash. Now take your slime. I'm going to show you how to make a big bubble. Oh, I messed up now. Well, I still made a bubble. So I'm going to put my slime right here so you guys can see. I'm pretty sure you can see that. So I'll show you how to make the big bubble. My sleeves up so it won't get stuck on me. And guys, pull your sleeves up because your slime will get stuck on you. And kaboom! Well, it didn't work out. But it still popped like I like it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And make sure you subscribe down below and comment how you think this video went. Bye guys!